Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are looking at a fresh trade-in. It is a 2022 Grand Design Transcend Xplor. The model number is 260RB. This is an awesome couples unit with a huge rear bathroom. Mega slide over here. Let's go in. Aha! Just before we go in, I noticed 2 batteries. So I went up top. Yep, there's a solar panel system. Those 2 20-pound propane tanks will be filled up. Power tongue jack out front. This is a certified pre-owned unit. So those batteries will be replaced or fully charged. Ooh la la, here we go. Furrion 12-volt fridge. Oven. 3-burner stove. Furrion microwave. TV directly in front of these Thomas Paine theater seats. We got a dinette that converts into a bed. Look at the pantry with a motion sensing light. Towards the back, awesome huge bathroom. Porcelain toilet. Stand-up shower that's bigger than most. Master bedroom. Looking good. Here's a spot to mount your TV if you want to put one in. All right, nice and quick. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, Brunswick. Please give one of our sales people a call so we can get this opened up for you. We can get it lit up for you and ready for show. Bye for now.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.